Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a today discuss here a revolve boss base command is discussed here, and guys Solidworks lecture 23 is discussed here, and Solidworks all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, revolve boss base command is a 3D command of Solidworks, and this is a very useful and helpful new create a design. Okay guys, at first open a Solidworks software. Okay, this is our Solidworks software interface, and only two command is active and all command is not active. And at first select any plane and create a 2D drawing geometry, then exit, then all 3D commands is active. Okay, one by one is discussed here. At first this revolve boss base command is discussed here today, and at first create any 2D geometry draw here. At first select a plane is a front plane, and draw any geometry. Okay, select click a line is a drawing here any geometry. Okay, this profile is a correct, and drawing any profile. Okay, this is a drawing a profile, and select this point, and this point is a horizontal, and mention any dimension. This is a dimension is a 25. Okay, correct, and okay, this is a 45 is correct, and this radius is a 80 is better. Okay, and this is a 45. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a 45 is a 55 is correct. This is a nice here. Okay, this is a perfect. Exit. Okay, this is a correct, and also draw a some fillet is used here, this point, and fillet is a okay, this is a 30 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Exit, and draw a again select a plane is a front plane, and draw any axis. Select a center line and draw a this is a use a axis, and this is axis, and exit. Okay, draw a sketch is drawing here, you can see here easily. And now at first select a first sketch, select this profile, and second is a this is a axis. Okay, and both is a very useful, because guys one important command is discussed here. Profile, this is a revolve boss base command is a select here only 2 points, selected a sketch profile around an axis to create a solid feature. Okay, revolve boss base is drawing any design or drawing here, only 2 point is your mind is discussed here. First point is selected a sketch profile around an axis to create a solid feature. This is a very good definition, learn here. At first select this is a selected a sketch profile, and this is a axis. This profile is around this axis, and draw any 3D design. Okay, at first select a first sketch, and this click a revolve boss base. Okay, first sketch is a select here, and this is a axis of revolution is select here, and this is axis is select here, and body is design is created. Okay, this is a select. Okay, this is a design is created. Okay, and click OK. At first select a profile, and then second is a select a axis, and then this axis is a hide. Okay, and this is a colorful. Select a colorful means this is a okay. Blue color is a nice here. This is a correct. Okay, okay, and draw a white plane. This is a okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a nice here. Okay, looking nice. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a swept compass base is discussed here. And guys, Solidworks lecture 24 is discussed here. And Solidworks all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. And today discuss here a very important command is a swept pose base. Okay guys, at first open a Solidworks software. Okay, this is our Solidworks software interface, and all 3D command is a not active. At first select a plane and drawing any, create a geometry, then exit, then all 3D command is a active. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane. Okay, and draw any geometry. Okay, this is a spline command is a use here. Okay, this is a perfect. This body is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, some drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. This is a correct. Okay, this is a nice here. And okay, this body is a drag. Okay, this is a super. Okay, this point is a this. Okay, this is a correct. And exit. Okay, and this plane is a some reference geometry. Plane is a this line, and this point is draw here. This is a correct. Okay, and this select this plane and exit, and draw a normal, and draw any circle is drawing here this point. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and mention any dimension. Dimension is a diameter is a 100, diameter is a 120 is correct. Okay, 120 is correct. And exit. Okay, exit. Okay, and draw a. Okay, this is a swept boss base command is active, and click this is a okay. Swept boss base command is a select here, and this is a sketch profile and circular profile. Two profile is you can see here, and this is a clear learn here at first profile and second path. Okay, and okay, this is a swept boss base. Some important point learn here. A swept a close profile along an open a close path to create a solid feature. Means create a one profile and one path is two important point is discussed here. At first create a profile, sweep a close profile drawing here, and then other a open path, yeah, close path is drawing here, then sweep boss base is active. Okay, and this is a you can see here easily drawing a one closing path, one closing profile you can see here, and this is a open a close path. Okay, okay, this is a profile is select here, and then a path is select here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, some few minutes is okay. This is a not click here because dimension is high. Okay, okay, some this is a diameter is a 50 is correct. Okay, 50 is correct. Okay, 60 is also correct. Okay, this is a correct. And okay, then use a first is a profile and second is path. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, first is not drawing here because diameter is very high, and then is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this plane is a hide, this plane is a okay, this plane is a hide. Okay, this body is create here, and okay, this is a perfect, and use a okay, this is a correct, and some color is used here, and blue color is perfect, and some color is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a okay, this is a perfect, and this is a cartoon is used here. This body is a looking nice here. Okay, this is a perfect body is drawing here. Okay, and normal is drawing here this. Okay, okay guys, okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, this video is more and more share and like and subscribe. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.